Good evening, this is David DT, Trading-to-Win.com. It's been a while since I made my last free video on YouTube, exactly 3 weeks, and basically nothing much changed since then. One of the changes, I created yet another example portfolio, as opposed to portfolio I created on March 2nd, 2009, which was all long portfolio, and it's produced phenomenal gains and so on, blah blah blah. I created all short portfolio from exactly the same symbols as of September 14th, 2009, when everybody's saying we're going to the moon. And in spite of market moves up and down, it's only down to 71%. I can live with that, and the worst drawdown was about, I believe, 74%. Now let's talk about charts. But first, I have received few funny emails, and people ask me, you don't sound like a trader, you are not energetic, you are not fast talking, you are not fast acting. Yeah, well, I have to say, I'm not one of those who will trade ES 20 times a day, expecting to profit 2 ticks per trade, losing 50 ticks while they do that. What I like is to risk about 5-6 ES points and expect to get 10-15. That's what I am. I am lazy one. So let's take a look on a weekly S&P 500 chart. As you can see, we are in a wave 4, which is the most difficult to trade. Wave 2 retraced 50% of wave 1. We are at about 50% right now of wave 3, and obviously you cannot expect 50% to give up right away. This is why we have few bouncy weekly bars here. But what I think is this is probably as far as wave 4 is going to get. And why I'm saying it? Because I'm looking at RSI, and RSI, this green line, is RSI 60, and RSI, in spite of substantial advance on the index, failed to move above 60. And what that is, it tells me, yes, this is strong bull market within secular bear market. It's definitely stronger than here, because here it's slightly crossed 50 line on W2, but W2 was substantially shorted. W4 is really difficult to trade. So your profits might grow up very fast and evaporate as fast as they grow up. What we have to pay attention to is this area. My drawing skills are not too good. Basically, this is where people were unable to sell anything here. It just dropped like a rock from TDST weekly support here. And also what you have to pay attention to is this line. That was a projection for W3 down based on 162 fib number, but it was overshot substantially, and it's about 262 fib number. What this area represents right now, it represents substantial overhead resistance, because a lot of people expected market to turn around here and move up. Unfortunately, it didn't happen. So a lot of people got stuck, and they've been holding till now. Just to refresh your memories, here we had completed TD combo sell. It resulted in some consolidation. We had TD sequential 11 out of 13, but there was as you can see, this line is TD risk level. S&P tried to penetrate it once, twice, and right now it's bouncing off, as I said before, 50% W3 retracement. S&P probably going to go slightly up tomorrow morning and going to go down on the 1040 area by the end of this week. And probably what's going to happen in upcoming weeks is going to go slightly down, or maybe not slightly, I don't know, it's going to go down. There is a possibility that it might try to go slightly up, setting slightly new highs compared to October highs. Why we need it? Well, why it's possible, based on counts for monthly D wave, and I'll get there. But most likely we're going to go somewhere to 940 area as a result of this correction. That's probably it with weekly chart. Alright, we're looking at S&P 500 monthly chart. Wave is not marked here, but believe you me, this is wave A. It has been locked in place right here. And right now we are in wave B. It has not satisfied minimum requirements yet, but the moment we're going to set slightly high in October. Wave B is going to be locked in place, and if that happens, even at a slightly higher that September closing, we're going to start wave C down, which is going to go slightly, well, at least slightly below wave A, and it's going to last for about 40 weeks, well into March, June of next year probably, and it's going to go to 584. Some people have 200 target. I'm not sure that that's going to happen right away. It definitely will happen within the next few years, but so far this is my target for weekly. Again, let me stress it out. We are in wave 4 in weekly, and probably we are in wave 4 on daily, so this is a little combination. Very difficult to trade if you're not fast and concentrated on trading. I would suggest to stay away for now, unless you are positioned long term short. Then all you have to do is just probably wait. Trade well, David DT, Trading-to-Win.com.